million.
Oh.
Ooh. Who, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, pirates of all ages. Here we are with an exciting episode of What's Inside This Safe. Y'all know me, you know me very well. I live for safes. It's in my flesh and blood. It's everything I'm cursed with. I got the curse of the locked safe. Even when it isn't my safe, I still want to know what's inside of it. We are on our way right now to meet somebody. It's actually a very good person. His name is Cowboy, and he's actually my least favorite person to ever see at an auction. This man right here, I tell you, when he steps into an auction, I don't like being there because I give a lot of people a number. People have a number. Everybody has like a number they stop at. I've never given this man a number because if he really wants a unit, he never ever stops. I thought I was bad. This guy takes the cake because he buys some of the best units I've ever seen, and definitely the most interesting stuff. He owns an auction house, J.W. McGrath Auctions, and you definitely want to check out his auction house. And if we're about to meet him, head to where he's at the storage unit, and we're going to crack 2 major safes that he has bought. So stay tuned for this. Wow, this is going to be exciting. Wait till you see these 2 safes. Going to be real intriguing to see what's in these safes. He is paying $1,100 to have both of these safes cracked. $550 a safe. So it is well worth the adventure just to find out what's in there and take this journey with him. Probably one of the biggest safes I've ever seen in a storage unit right here. You want to stand next to us so we can get like a life-size scale model of this thing? JW? Look at this man's taller than me, and that safe is over half his body. That is crazy.
That's a pretty huge safe.
You have a confident feeling there's something in there?
Yeah, I am really. It took a lot of work. He put a little dent in the blacktop there.
Oh, yeah, that thing's like 2,000 pounds.
I think it weighs more than that. It's kind of.
It's over 2 feet wide.
How long do you think that was powder coated there? I think that's pretty fresh.
Look at this thing, ladies and gentlemen. He got this in the same place he got that safe.
No, that was supposed to shoot.
Look at the wheels.
Well, I guess you can't really sell it very easily.
Forgot to note that it says Levi Strauss Company. That makes it cool just in the fact that it was part of that company.
Yeah.
Very nostalgic company. You want to open it, don't you? It's your safe.
All right. Well,
Come on, $1 million.
well, that side's empty, except for. It's empty.
It's empty. Ooh.
That's a big one. Well, I don't even know what that is.
What's under the board? No.
Nothing.
Ooh.
What is this?
The wheels.
Oh,
those are for here.
Oh, it's the top pieces here. Okay.
Whew, that sucks. My heart was beating so fast. There was nothing in that safe. He paid $600 for the unit that safe was in, and he just sold that yellow light for $3,000 out of the same thing. So I was really anticipating that there was going to be something inside that safe. It was. I've never seen a safe like that. But he says he can sell that safe probably for about $2,000, maybe a little less with the combo he will get from the safe guy doing all that cracking. So we have one more safe left. We got to keep hopes high. This thing is massive. Wow. How much does this one weigh?
I don't think it even weighs as much as this one. This one seems like it weighs a lot more than that one. That one's easy to roll.
Wow.
Yeah, that thing retailed for almost $20,000 one time. If you can see the name at the bottom there, but it's got
Look at this.
Really nice safe. Can I take a picture of it?
Oh, absolutely. Go for it.
Wow.
Because most of them, the bolt goes that way, you know?
Mm-hmm.
And here it goes up.
It's on the show to break into it.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a Wyland. I found a piece of his recently.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Yeah. Remember the dolphin painting, everybody? We had found that Wyland. It was a print, but it was a collab. It had several others, but it wasn't an actual. We are patiently awaiting. You hear the drilling in the background for the second one to get open. We're not allowed to watch. He wants to keep his work a secret. Ooh, cross your fingers. Cross your fingers. Ooh,
Oh,
what's in there?
there's stuff in there.
There's stuff in there. There's stuff in there.
Oh man, what is in there?
Oh, holy wow! What is it?
It's like
Found the treasure?
there might be some treasure in here. Here.
What is that?
This is a cigar maker.
Antique, huh?
Cigar maker. It's kind of cool. Hopefully it's got some cigars in here. Ooh. Looks like work badges.
It's like passes for like backstage passes or something.
Exciting.
Come on, exciting.
Looks like he's
I get my drill, I'm sorry.
Oh, sure.
This. Do you want to fix that hole?
Oh, yes, please. All right, let me look here. All right. Well, I'm not looking so excited right now.
Don't count your chickens. It's all the things that meant something to this guy.
Well,
It's good to film this way.
Oh, this way?
You want your film to be that way. Oh, it change on its own? iPhone doesn't do that.
Welcome to the radio.
let's see, paperwork.
Personal paperwork. What's that award for?
Paperwork. Looks like paperwork. Well, not cool. That's all. No.
That's kind of cool.
Chicago International Film Festival.
They did a boat. A Magic Boat movie.
This is a bummer.
Little stamp books, no?
This is not good. Oh well.
I think you'd still buy it 100 more times.
Yeah. Well, 0 for 3 in the safe world.
0 for 3?
0 for 3. I should have known those financial guys don't leave their
One certain document and there could just be some petty cash. No.
That'd be awesome. Have a few $100 bills in every one.
Oh, now you get to go sell some nice safes.
But, you know, hey.
This just goes to show everybody out there in the world, when you do buy storage units and you do things of this nature and you're treasure hunting, safes are not always full of gold, silver, and gems. That's just the truth. You got to be willing to risk it, have some balls like my man here, to see if there's something in here. It's the truth. You got balls. We can say that on YouTube. It's the truth. A lot of people think you go out and buy a storage unit and you get safes and you're going to find 26,000 in every one. Trust me, I've been chasing that curse for years. But this is the reality of the average storage unit safe. It's usually got social security cards, birth certificates, documents, passports, things that somebody didn't want to part with but they're afraid of somebody having, and electric pencil sharpeners. Oh, man. I got excited because when you opened that, all you heard was ooh, and there was stuff in there. And you see it right through the cracks right away. You're obviously thinking, this guy's got to have something in there. But that's the thing about safes and storage units and everything that we do is people store things that are important to them. And that was in there because there's documents in those boxes that were very important and probably crucial. You saw the little film festival plaque, etc., etc. Storage units are something else. Cheer up. Think of all the excitement you just had.
Yeah, it was exciting.
It's a rush. No matter what happened, that was a rush. Were you not?
Yeah, it was pretty exciting.
Your adrenaline had to be high.
Yeah, until the end.
And you're going to do it
Not
again
so
and
high.
again. I've been chasing this dragon ever since the $26,000 safe. I keep buying stupid storage units. Those weren't stupid. I'd buy those anytime. But chasing that dragon, next time. So at least you end up with 2 good sellable safes. It cost you a little bit to have them cracked, but where will you sell those?
Probably on Craigslist.
You won't put those in your auction house?
No, just straight sale.
What is your auction house again?
McGrathauctions.com.
McGrathauctions.com. And I'm trying to get this man to start a YouTube. I think he's going to try to start one in the name Storage Cowboy. Did you say you did?
Yep.
Because that way you guys can subscribe, and if he gets a few subscribers, he might put out some videos. You can see already by just this little video, this man finds great stuff. That's why he's my least favorite person to see at an auction ever, because he's the hardest person to outbid. Ain't that right?
Yep. That's right.
I believe in you.